SkyHawk delivers products and services throughout North America, coast to coast, within Canada and the US primarily. And we're focused on delivering to government organizations, state-based, provincial-based, as well as municipalities.
We provide specialized asset tracking and telematics services, especially in areas such as the winter operations space, where we have very specific and unique needs of the client for controlling salt, understanding what roads have been plowed, and making sure that they're meeting their service level obligations to the public.
Our head office is in St. John's, Newfoundland, where we host most of our management and executive team, as well as all of our core technical development team. Our second location is in Oakville, Ontario, and that's our logistics office where we deliver all of our project management, support, and order fulfillment and warehousing.
When we were first introduced to the Lean program about 2.5 years ago, the company was at a crossroads as such. We were about to enter a high growth phase, and the company's size and structure was simply at risk of being able to execute on the types of business we were then seeing. So the introduction of Lean was very timely for us.
Lean is not a sprint, it's a journey, you know, and since we started on this journey back in 2014, it's all about continuous improvement. And as a technology company that's always facing new changes in the marketplace, new changes internally as we scale and grow and hire more people and branch out into broader geographic markets, being able to recognize where some opportunities for improvement are in our processes has been very important for our success.
So within the Lean Productivity Program, it's been amazing to see how it's actually affected all aspects of our business. One of the things that we've done that we currently weren't doing before is tracking KPIs, so key performance indicators of our organization. And we've even now gotten to a point where we take those KPIs and we put them on what we call information radiators throughout the office, and we allow everyone to see. So whether we're doing good, bad, or indifferent, they're posted up and everyone can see the performance of the organization across all departments.
Before Lean, we had a lot of inefficiency in our order fulfillment process. The process wasn't clearly defined, orders were essentially not going to the right people to take the appropriate actions, and also the orders were submitted missing critical information.
We went up from a point where we were probably taking 6 weeks to turn around inventory to our customers to less than 3 days. So we saw a vast improvement in our ability to inventory, kit, and control our products and our product delivery to our clients through that Lean productivity programming. Applying our Lean practices across our entire business and all of our functional departments has allowed us to be smarter, has allowed us to identify opportunities for improvement, and to scale our business in a faster way.
Manufacturing insights in the Manufacturing Productivity Program are delivered by the Canadian Manufacturers and Exporters in collaboration and partnership with the Department of Tourism, Culture, Industry and Innovation, as well as in partnership with the Atlantic Canada Opportunities Agency.
It's become important for us that we continually reinforce with our existing employees and with new ones that come in that are new to the program, that this is a journey. It's not just something that is done and left. So we continually revisit our processes. We look at when things don't go right and if there's room for improvement, and it's become part of the company culture.